Train as a chartered accountant with ICAS, and you'll be supported every step of the way. Your journey starts in Advantage, the home for everything you need throughout your training. It's where you'll find all your courses, resources, and the fundamentals. These onboarding modules explain how it all works, give you study and assessment tips, and introduce you to essential topics like ethics. And each syllabus level starts with an online induction. That's where you can meet your new tutors and ask them questions about everything that's coming up. When it's time to start studying, we'll let you know with a notification on the Advantage app. Our interactive digital courses will keep you engaged as you learn. Knowledge and skills checkers will make sure what you've learned sticks and highlight any areas you might need to recap. We've broken the courses into bite-sized chunks to keep you fresh and progressing. Study guides will keep you right as you work through the interactive content, summarising the key points and concepts. You can also add your own notes as you go, making them the ultimate base for your revision. And if you're stuck on a topic, hop onto the course discussion. This is the place to ask questions and get the answers from tutors. Those self-study days lead to our in-person workshops. These interactive sessions are where you'll consolidate everything you've learned on Advantage. There'll be quizzes, discussions, challenges, and practice scenarios. You'll collaborate in small groups, be encouraged to think critically and ask questions, and build the communication and presentation skills needed for connecting with colleagues and clients. With assessment day coming, it's common to be nervous. Don't worry, our online drop-ins are the perfect place to put last-minute course questions to your tutor and to help put your mind at rest. And on the big day itself, you'll have the choice of sitting your assessment wherever you feel most comfortable. At home, in the office, or at one of our centres. You won't wait long to find out if all that hard work has paid off. Within 2 weeks of your assessment, you'll get your result in Advantage. Congratulations! You passed your assessment and you're now one step closer to becoming a chartered accountant and joining our global network of members who inspire and shape the future of ethical and sustainable business.